Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Hope you're doing fine. Today I'm here with a tutorial on how to create a TikTok account on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. To create an account on TikTok from your phone, first you must download the TikTok app. Let's download it from our Google Play Store. That will be Play Store. And it's also for TikTok. Okay, and let's install it. And installation process might take a few minutes depending on the net speed and your device's capacity. Okay, it has been installed. Let's open it. And this is the first interface on TikTok when you install it. Firstly, let's privacy policy have been updated. Okay, we'll get on later, and let's type and agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. And what's your like? Let's choose for example. In case of sports, I like boxing, soccer, fantasy sports. On case of foods, I like recipes, barbecue, baking, and entertainment. Marvel, Z, anime, Naruto, Netflix, SBO, and Hang on Tycoon, music, rap, music production, hip hop, EDM, reggae. And now for this purpose, for this video's purpose, let's do until here. And okay, start watching. After you have arrived onto this interface, you can see now let's sign up for the TikTok. Now on the top right corner of your phone, you can see the profile. Let's click here, and you will be taken to this interface. Now let's just register and create an account for TikTok. Okay, to do that you must either use phone, email or username, but since we are creating an account for TikTok, let's continue with our Google account. After clicking on your preferred Google account by continue with Google, you have successfully created an account for TikTok. Now let's enter our birth date, which will be and next. Our username has been created. Let's make a more awesome username. One and sign up, and there you see guys. And if you again once click on the profile, you can see that your account has been created on TikTok. Creating a TikTok account on TikTok from your Android phone is this easy to complete. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace guys.